Oh, England. England. One, two, three, four, five. England 5-0. Harry Kane with 2 goals. Why everybody is scoring two goals? Ronaldo 2 goals. Messi 2 goals. Harry Kane 2 goals. Hmm. Hmm. Problem there. A very massive congratulations to England. They really show themselves and they really try this season. This time around, they really try and they qualify well. They did well. What a coach! Thomas Tuchel is a coach that England need. Thomas Tuchel is one coach that give me the players and I will give you trophy. Don't be surprised you see England going to semi-final or going to final in Club World Cup.